I'm just on top of it, I swear. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a really lovely day. Today I'm going to be doing shocking, surprising, breaking news, another unboxing. The box I have in front of me today, however, is unfortunately about a month late. It came kind of late last month and it's just been sitting on my kitchen counter and I just like poof, completely forgot it existed there. And the box I'm talking about is the fortune cookie soap box. We did the very first unboxing of this box on my channel last month and it was really fun. It was Jurassic Park themed. I love me some Jurassic Park. The old ones, the new ones, any of them. I like the dinosaurs and Chris Pratt and Jeff Goldblum and I like it all. So I'm really excited to go ahead and get on into this box here and see what the theme for the month is. Fortune Cookie Soap is a beauty subscription that focuses more on like bath products, so like shower gels and shaving creams and lotions and bath bombs. Last month I got fizzy toilet bombs and I love them. I don't know where on earth I'm going to be able to find fizzy toilet bombs again, but it makes the bathroom smell lovely. So let's go ahead and bust on into this box here for the month of August because I am bad at doing things on time. Oh, I don't even need this. There's no tape or anything closing it together. It did have a plastic wrap on it, but I went ahead and ripped that off. On the front of the box here it says, "We didn't choose the soap life. The soap life chose us." What the heck is that sound? Is something about to blow up outside? Alright, so right on top here we have the little booklet which will tell us all about the products inside. It also gives us a little sneak peek of the theme for the month, which is the Goblin King. You're the Goblin King! Which I'm going to assume is in reference to the movie The Labyrinth, which is a fantastic movie, but unfortunately I haven't seen it in years, so I'm sure a lot of these references are just gonna go like way over my head, but the Goblin King I do know of. Then on the bottom here it says, "We formulate and hand make all of our products with top shelf ingredients and botanicals. You'll feel and see the difference." Alright, so inside of the little box here all the products are wrapped up. It is definitely a very hefty box. This box is a little bit up there. I believe it is $28 plus shipping, but if you use the code FREE, I think that's what I just saw as I was looking stuff up on the website. Use the code FREE, your first box ships free, so that's kind of good. So alright, here is all of the things inside of the box. It looks like we have several products, so I'm really excited to dig on in. As always, gotta make a spot here to set anything down. Alrighty guys, 10 minutes into this video and I'm finally pulling out the first product. I gotta stop talking so much. Alright, so the first thing we have is a shimmering body wash, and this is the "You Have No Power Over Me" body wash. So here is the little sticker on the front and it is indeed quite shimmery. It looks kind of like opalescent or something. It is safety sealed, which is nice. I just gotta get a little sniff of it to see what it smells like. Ooh. I have had something that smells incredibly similar to this before. I'm not 100% sure how to even explain the scent. There's definitely like a vanilla or something going on. Maybe like a sandalwood going on. I'm not even sure what sandalwood is supposed to smell like. Ooh, this is so cool looking. Okay, next up we have something called Chili Down. This is a cooling aloe me whipped cream. Aloe me whipped? What? So here it is, and as you can see it is an aloe me whipped cream. I'm not really sure what that means, but it is super duper cool on the inside. It honestly looks like something I want to eat. This looks like it could be like orange marmalade or something with like cream in the middle. I won't eat it though, I promise. We'll see how good it smells first. Maybe we'll give it a little taste. Whoa! Wow, okay, I really was not expecting that. This is very minty. I thought for sure it was gonna smell like orange sherbet or something, but this is super duper minty. Like toothpaste minty. It actually kind of looks a little bit like an orange toothpaste, you know, that kind that has the gel and then the non-gel in it. Ooh, okay, so that is very, very interesting. Since this is aloe and it's supposed to be cooling, I guess this would be fantastic if you had like a sunburn or something, which I happen to get all the time because of my ghost skin, so that's pretty neat. Alright, next up here we have a volumizing shampoo, and the name of this is Fairies. I really need to do a little bit of catching up on my David Bowie Labyrinth watching because I'm kind of missing a lot of these references. I don't know how on earth I could have forgotten about these guys though. I mean, actual nightmares. So this is supposed to be a volumizing shampoo. I've never had a shampoo in a little like pot like this before, and it just has the same cool little sticker on the front and then it has all the ingredients on the side. Ooh, that smells really nice actually. I wasn't really sure how this was going to smell, but it smells really, really nice. Definitely smells like a high quality salon or something. And my poor, limp, lifeless hair, as they say in the commercials, could always use a little bit of volume. Daggone it, I already dropped the lid on the floor. I'll have to retrieve that later. Hopefully I don't spill this everywhere. All right, we still have several products left. So the next thing we have here looks like a little bitty baby deodorant. And this is the Bog of Eternal Stench. That's a good name for deodorant. I really, really like that name. Okay, so this is a veggie protein deodorant. That's a new one for me. I am entirely interested in seeing how this smells. It looks different, that's for sure. Oh, it smells like a candle. Oh, Honestly, I would buy this scent as a candle. I wasn't expecting that. It smells really good. I don't really know how it would smell as deodorant. I'm used to smelling like fresh baby powder or whatever they scent deodorant as. But this smells really, really nice. People just think you've been like rubbing Yankee candles on you or something. Oh. All right, next up here we have a hoodoo.
Para voodoo. You do.
This is just a little bottle of room spray. It has a nice spritzer there. Everything is a pretty decent size. I'm pretty sure these are all supposed to be full-size items. I'm really hoping this smells very good. I think I just have a bad sniffer. I'm not really sure what things smell like. This smells good to me, to my nose, but I can't really, oh, it dripped on me. But I can't really express to you guys what it smells like. I'll look in the little pamphlet and see if I can get you guys like a reference to what this smells like. Okay, next up here we have the cutest monster ever, face cleaner. This is a charcoal facial cleanser. It's a very good size as well. So in this guy here, you get 4 ounces of face cleaner, and you can see it is definitely black with charcoal. Very, very deep color. Oh, okay. Well, it kind of popped out just a little bit. It might not be as dark as I once expected it to be. It's kind of more on like the gray side, as you can see it dripping down my finger. But there it is. What? Why did I... What the heck? Why did I just put that out in my hand? I just wanted to smell it. I didn't need to go to that extreme. It actually smells pretty good. I thought it would smell a little bit more like chemically for some reason, but it doesn't. I'm noticing it has like these little like bloop bloop beads of black stuff in it that I'm guessing that's charcoal. I'm wondering if they pop when you touch them. Oh, yes they do. And then like charcoal comes out of it. Very interesting. It does smell really nice, and the consistency of it is very liquidous, as you can probably see. I'm always interested in trying out a new face cleaner, so let me wipe this off my hands and then we'll see what the next product is. I'm just on top of it, I swear. Okie dokie guys, the next product also happens to be the last product. I almost missed it in here because it was wrapped up in this kind of bubbly material. Ooh, but we got another little perfume rollerball. We got one of these in last month's box and I really loved the name of it. It was Clever Girl. I thought that was so cool, but I wasn't a huge fan of the smell. But the name of this one is Crystal Ball, which is also a fantastic name, so I'm really, really hoping I like the smell of this one. Oh my gosh, there's glitter floating in it. Is that rocks? Oh my gosh, I'm so easily amused. But I just noticed that there is like little bits of glitter floating around in this, and then there's like three little guys down here. I don't know what they're doing in there. Are they rocks? Can you hear that? They kind of bounce around in there. I don't know. That's pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and just put some of this on and get a little sniff of it. Okay, I definitely like this one a lot more than last month's. This one has a very like warm vanilla-y scent to me. There's definitely something else in there, but it smells enough like cupcakes for me to really like it. Okay, so I am excited about this like crazy little bottle here with rocks and glitter in it. Why are the rocks see-through? Okay, guys, I'm gonna go through really quickly and tell you all the value of all the items inside of our box and maybe give you a little bit of a better idea of what they're supposed to smell like. So the retail price of the Rollerball perfume is $12.99, and it is supposed to smell like a hypnotic and romantic dance between golden apricot, pink peonies, candied pomegranates, and a hint of praline. So not like vanilla cupcakes, but that's what I smelled. I guess I don't have that much of a complex sniffer. Next we have the room spray, which retails for $8.99, and it is supposed to smell like cotton blossoms, red raspberries, and cedar. Then we have the little deodorant here, the Bog of Eternal Stench, which is a fantastic name. The retail price of it is $7.99, and it's supposed to smell like golden amber, vanilla coconut cream, and honeycomb. Moving on to the face cleanser, it retails for $12.99, and it is supposed to smell like spiced rum, jasmine petals, Tahitian. Tahitian Blonde Woods and Pink Sugar. Then we have the Chili Down Cooling Aloe Me Whipped Cream, which retails for $7.99. It is supposed to smell like zesty lemon rind, peppermint, and a base note of vanilla. Then we have the Volumizing Shampoo, which is supposed to smell like nuances of peach pear, subtle notes of hydrangea and violet, all rounded with a base note of Fiery's musk. I do not understand fragrances. Apparently, I didn't get any of that. Oh, and it also retails for $14.99. Then finally, we have the Shimmery Body Wash, which retails for $7.99, and it is supposed to smell like grapefruit, Valencia orange, blooming lily of the valley, and base notes of tobacco and spice. So as you can see, all these things are supposed to have very like complex fragrance notes to them that my untrained nose can just not pick up on. All I know is that everything in here smelled really, really good. I liked these fragrances a whole lot. There wasn't one that stuck out to me that I was like, not really my favorite. Everything smells really, really nice. And I cannot wait to test everything out here, especially that vegetable deodorant. That seems so very different to me. So definitely excited to give that a try. Alrighty guys, that was everything that was in my fortune cookie soap of the month box. Thank you very much for sending this my way. By the way, you guys, it means a lot to me. As I said in my last video, this is like the first box I ever saw unboxed on YouTube, and it started the obsession. I definitely think these are fun unboxings, and if you're really into like handcrafted, unique bath products, then this might be a subscription for you. And I do think they sell all of these things like individually on their website as well if there's just one kind of item that you're interested in. But that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me, and I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!